Tradisi Thankyou and Crystal. Today I'm in the woods and I'm going for a walk, and I'm going to show you guys a tree swing, which is pretty neat. It's a very hot day, and I just felt like going for a walk in nature. There's two paths. Which one should I go on? I think I'll go on this one, because I love nature. I love nature! I love it! I love nature! So yeah, tree swing. Here's a tree swing, coming up to it now. Actually, that path would have come out by here. The name of the woods is called Mills Woods. That's the name of the woods. And there's a tree swing. Not cool. I had to go on it when I go shopping. I had to go a different way, because the way I normally go is all like there. So I'm pressing pause till I get to the other path. It's really hot today. And there's another tree swing. Press pause and show. There's a tree swing. Now I gotta go and find a path to get back into the woods. There. I found the path. We're back in the woods. Fine. I thought I was gonna never find the path again, and basically just be wandering around looking for the path on this hot day. And I got a drink, but that's not the point. I'm wandering around looking for paths, and I'm not very well. It's not very funny, is it? So yeah, this is Mills Woods. Those are blackberries. You can actually eat blackberries, but I'm not, because of the grubs inside them. There's always little grubs inside the blackberries, so it's always best to pick them and take them home and wash them. That's the best thing to do. Did you know Slender Man lives in these woods? No, I'm joking. No, you don't. This isn't a very big woods. It's quite a small woods. It doesn't take you long to go around them. We have got other woods, but it's a hot day, and I think I'm gonna go back home and have a drink. Oh, hang on. There's another path, but as you can see, it's all like overgrown. But I'm going home. And I'll show you the sign on the end of the path, and then I'm going to switch off the video. And it says walkers welcome. So hope you like my video of the nature. Peace and out.